What is an enterprise architecture manager? An enterprise architecture manager, or EAM, is a senior-level information technology professional who is responsible for developing and leading an organization's enterprise architecture program. Enterprise architecture is a holistic approach to organizing and managing an enterprise's IT resources in a way that aligns the organization's business goals and objectives with its overarching IT strategy. Enterprise Architecture Manager job description and requirements. An EAM is responsible for the development and maintenance of an organization's enterprise architecture. They work with senior management to understand the business goals and objectives, and then create a plan that will allow the organization to meet these goals by using their IT resources most effectively. An EAM must have excellent communication and problem-solving skills. They must be able to work with a variety of people, from senior management to software developers, and be able to understand and explain complex technical concepts in a way that non-technical people can understand. An enterprise architecture manager typically earns a salary of around $150,000 a year. How to become enterprise architecture manager. An EAM typically has a 4-year degree in computer science or a related field, as well as several years of experience managing large-scale IT projects. Again, they must be able to not only understand complex business and IT concepts, but also be able to communicate them effectively to a variety of stakeholders.